Oga Ole, how body they do you now wey una don comot Liverpool for FA Cup? And it can't be like say na only we una sabi win these days.
I swear, you no even get idea as Betty the take do me now. I remember when I still dey arrange the team so that them go fit gel well. If we just draw and lose one match, people get to take LA out. Now wey they don dey see the fruits of my labor, LDML don change. They can't even detect say na only small teams we sabi win. Now wey we don win Premiership champions Liverpool, na God get punish LDML.
Some people see dey talk say as una team dey form now, say una never still reach to carry Premier League. And the table una dey on top na temporary something. Unto say the real league winners go soon come comot una for there. Wetin you get to tell these people?
All these people where they take these things there. First of all, na tender go disintegrate all the teeth where they take all these nonsenses. So that na early ekemo then go feed their drink for the rest of their lives. Secondly, I see they gel the team. By the time I finish with the team, anybody wey hear Red Devils get piece for pence as they shake.
First of all, una start to dey draw every dick and harry. I no too talk because I feel say na just hard luck. Next thing, una goals come finish. Una no sabi score goal again. I con dey console myself say this na trying time. Make devil for no go use me kill person pikin. All this while, clubs like Man U don already dey pass us for league table. See Thiago, make I for no catch you for that back Just because say if you touch ball, fans go dey holler your name. No mean say you no go follow do this frog jump. Nonsense. Wetin you sabi na to dodge free kick. Since wey all these things just dey happen, I no too talk. I just dey tell media say na my responsibility every time. Instead of una to dey use una head know say una don too F up, say una suppose buckle up. Next thing when I see, una come start to dey lose. The one wey come pay me pass. Chai! Una come lose to common Burnley. Take break am almost 4 years unbeaten home record.
But Kochi, Burnley no play like common team for that match
Na who talk that thing just now? Now, Man U don comot now for FA Cup. Na no dey shame. A whole Premier League defending champions. E con remain only Premier League and Champions League. And with the way una dey take do una things now, una just dey do like people wey wan go trophyless this season. No worry, I go flog every spirit of trophylessness comot for una body before this season end. And as for today, na frog jump una go take reach Messi side like this.
But Kochi, I scored 2 goals for that match, fa.
Na who that one help? If to say you score those your hat tricks, person for die.
No worry, I go comot go Madrid next season. Leave this club for una.
Wetin you talk?
Nothing.
If una like, make una go play nonsense again for London. Lose against Tottenham on Thursday. Na Ogun go give all of una blowjob. Nonsense. Olori Buruku.
Spurs! Hey! Spurs! Hey! This season na the season wey we go end our generational curse of trophylessness. On Thursday, Liverpool go come here to come scavenge points wey dem wan take console themselves. Some people dey talk say Liverpool now na wounded animal unto say dem lose to Burnley and Man U recently. But make I ask una, e get the kind wound wey e go wound Tolo wey you no go fit kill and put for stew?
No sir!
But Kochi, Tolo don pursue you before.
Wetin you mean by that question?
Me, I just dey talk because those things na cultists though. If them pursue you here, you go forget the stew chop your rice like that.
Come on, shut up there. Who ask you? Wetin I dey talk be say, if na wound Burnley and Man U wound them, we na kill, we go kill them.
Hey!
Oya, Harrison.
Sir?
Remember our drill. If una just score 1 goal, everybody go pack the most expensive bus wey we fit pack. Even if them dash na go say make una score, leave them. No score anything. Na trap them 1 set. 1 goal don do us to take collect 3 points. As long as say the bus wey we pack still dey intact. If dem wan dash us go, make dem use their hands score am.
But Kochi, remember wetin dem do us the last time wey we pack bus?
Leave that one. Na because say una no pack the bus well, the way wey I take say make una pack am. And moreover, e dey hard dem to score goals these days. No be our well packed bus dem go come fit score.